Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to manage these sources in the Notebook LM. So for that, the process is very simple. The link to the Notebook LM is in the description as well. So make sure you guys check it out. So on the left hand side, you can see that I have arranged the complete Notebook LM for me. On the left hand side, there are a bunch of sources that I have linked over here, approximately 9 to 11. And over here, when I can click on the three dots over the chat and customize notebook, I can able to simply put in the description and system instructions for the notebook LM, and I can name it from here. So I can check or uncheck the sources that I brought, and I can use some mind map in order to briefly see what's what's things that I need to do. For example, like this is the project that I'll be working on, and I can get every single detail out of it. And there are a bunch of other all over information that I can access, and you guys can manage this as well. And back to on these buttons, that you'll be able to interact with this mind map. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Uh, Take care. Bye bye.